What's up, y'all? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's good, y'all. Yeah. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, January the 3rd. It's a beautiful Wednesday. I'm feeling okay, but I'm showing up. I showed up. I'm here. I'm here. Let's get this money today, y'all. Let's get this fucking money today, man. Let's get this money today. Today's kind of looking weird. I'm not gonna lie, it looks weird. It's really weird. Did we have news? I think we had news. We have news at 8:30. We had news at 8:30. We have news at 10. So yeah, and then we have FOMC meeting minutes at 2. So it could be a decent day, right? Could be a decent day. We'll see. We'll see what we find. Take the trades accordingly. Move along. My man, Bitcoin is tweaking. I never really added Bitcoin to this thing. Let's just add Bitcoin because I'm always hearing Bitcoin. So I'm like, fuck it, let's just do it. Bitstamp. I think I'll use. Let me use Coinbase. It's probably more trusted. Let me use Coinbase. So Bitcoin is tweaking. Let me see. Oh, that drop is crazy. You know what that drop come from? You know where that drop come from? That's a greed drop. One day it was 41K. Next day it's 45. Yeah, Bitcoin, because people are greedy. So when you started here, it was like 42 on Monday. Monday, y'all just rallied that shit up for no reason. There's no reason for that push. Now it's a drop. Now people are like, all right, I made from 42 all the way to 45. That's $3,000 push. So it just depends on whatever you have in there. You just multiply that, right? It's just pure greed, bro. It's just pure greed. Bitcoin has no real technicals, but at the same time, it's still in the uptrend. Yeah, it's still in the uptrend though, bro. So I'm looking on a daily because every other time frame is a little kind of weird. I'm trying to read it. Still on the uptrend. Yeah, for the most part, still on the uptrend. I see some support being held. So every time it comes down here, pops back up. It came down here, popped back up. Came down here, popped back up. It's still on the uptrend. As you can see, the trend line is still solid. Trend line is still solid. Yo, Neil, what's good? Good morning, bro. Yeah, Bitcoin, as I said, it's a greedy thing. People see it going up, they're like, oh, I'm gonna buy it now. Finally gonna buy it. I missed the move. Fear of missing out. It could just hold right here. If it could keep holding right here, it could keep buying it up from that 40,000 level. 41,000, 40,000 level. You could keep buying it up from here. But once it breaks down here, I don't know. What's the next support area? I see right here where it struggled to break out from. It took a little while to break out from this area. It might come down to 37, 38 area. And then try to find some support there. But, Bitcoin is so volatile. It could just drop anytime it wants for however long it wants. As I said, It's a great play right now. Yep, that is just the volatility is crazy. Yeah, the volatility on Bitcoin is crazy. I wouldn't, I wouldn't say I would never trade Bitcoin, but I don't know how I would be able to trade Bitcoin. It's just so crazy. Like it's such a fucking monster, bro. In comparison to anything I've ever traded, Bitcoin is a monster. Bitcoin is an absolute monster. So I wouldn't know how to trade Bitcoin. Back to US30. I don't have a particular bias as it yet. I see the market just dropping off like this, like the from London session. Just let me go on a bigger time frame. And let me smaller time frame. Yeah, the 15 minute is good. From the 15-minute structure, we could see it's just kind of doing. I think this is a nice drop off, but now it found some support here. You see, it found some support here again. So we'll see how strong the support is. This might be the support it wants to break to get to that next area right down here. We have today we had 8:30 meeting. It was nothing. 10 o'clock ISM PMI. Joel Jobs opening. Joel Jobs opening is kind of important. An FOMC meeting minutes at 2 o'clock. That could be a mover today. So yeah, so I think there's a lot of indecision right now in the markets. I don't really like to trade heavy when there's big news. Like it's weird, bro. Because big news, it just doesn't really respect structure at all. And I trade off of primarily structure. So if it doesn't respect what I trade, I'm gonna get fucked up. My trading strategy is gonna get fucked up. It just doesn't respect it. So yeah, I don't really like to trade, but if I see something, I'll take it. But if I don't see nothing, I'm just here waiting. As I said, I don't see anything yet. Primarily, where I could take. I'm just here waiting to see if there's anything that shows up that I might like. I haven't seen anything yet. Haven't seen anything just yet. Let's see what we can get from the markets today, though. It could be a really good day, or it could be a really trash day.
No, I'm talking about.
Hmm?
No, motherfucker, the call motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what type of time to focus on, bro?
Huh?
You know what I'm saying? What are they doing?
I think he's talking to somebody else. But yeah, well, I'm waiting. I haven't had confirmation of what I want to see yet. I seen this nice possible double top, but as I said, I'm only taking 8 setups. I haven't been taking anything that falls out of my time range, which is around 9 o'clock till 10 o'clock. That's usually when I'm looking for a trade in that hour span. Those are within the A plus setup time because it's time and price. And then anything that falls outside of it, it's more like a B setup, less. But this could have been a nice trade right here. 1-to-1 would have been hit. Oh shit. 1-to-1 would have been hit. We'll see though. We'll see. We'll see how strong this support area is. If price just comes in and wants to break through it, we'll see. Because I drew this from the 15 minute. The 15, it's really a small it's really a small area, but it's just the power of structure, bro. The power of structure is so important. And then there's structure within structure. So I showed you the 1 hour structure, and then there's structure within that structure in the 15 minute. You see on the 15 minute, it came down here, made a low, came back up. This is just noise. Came back here to London session and made a low here, found some support, made a high, came back down, made a low, and then where did it retest the structure point, that structure point low. And now let's see if this area is strong. If it's not, then it might continue to break. If I look left, I can see clean traffic, so it can drop very clean to that next level. Like if the support is not strong, it just dropped clean. There's no traffic, there's no structure within this bar. It's just a huge push of what we call fair value gap, or what ICG traders call it, fair value gap. It's just a huge fair value gap right there. And yeah, that's a just when you look at something that looks like that, especially on a 15 minute. If I look on a 1 hour, it probably looks crazier, right? Yeah, the 1 hour looks the same. 4 hour looks the same, right? That's what you call clean traffic. That's like being on a highway and there's no cars. There's nothing stopping you. So there's nothing stopping the price just going straight down because there's no structure. Usually when there's structure, then you have reaction zones, but there's no structure. So there's nothing there to stop it. There's nothing there to hold it up. No possible. So let's see if this structure is strong enough. If it is strong enough, then we should get a reaction back to the top. Maybe like a double bottom here. Maybe it comes back lower just to break that low, and then it maybe makes a push to the highs, or it just breaks these lows and then retest. Break these lows, maybe retest it, drop it even lower, etc., etc. That's how I look at the market. I just try to simplify it as much as I can, because if you're looking at 2 months things, you're gonna complicate. Well, looking at my chart right now, it might be complicated because you might be like, "What the fuck is he doing?" But I know what I'm looking at. But as I said, I'm explaining it to you. It's just structure. So these purple boxes, they're just structure points. If you see it, this is the 1 minute and the 15 minute structure, 1 hour and the 15 minute structure point. They match at the same area. So that's the 1 hour plus the 15. This is strictly 15. This is also strictly 15, but it's too small. You can't see it. This is also strictly 15 minute structure. This is a 1 hour structure up here. This is a 15, but it's also really small. This is a 1 hour plus a 15. This is also a strong area. This is a 1 hour and a 15 minute structure, because if you see it, you can see it on the 15 minute and it lines up exactly with the 1 hour. It's the same exact area, so it's a strong area. So 1 hour, when it has multiple time frame confluences, it gives it a stronger. For me personally, for my trading, it gives it a stronger. Like I don't know, I don't know how to say it, but it just makes it a stronger zone on something that I'll be looking to take. And now I'm just waiting for my entry confirmation. Well, I'm waiting for the right time and my entry confirmation. Yeah, right time, entry confirmation, and I'll take the trade. Depending on, like, if this area right here, let me show you guys what a trade would, like, if I see a trade, what it would look like. My fault, bros. So we see all of this structure right here. Let me just draw it out because you can see it. This is a double top, right? Created a low, create a high. If structure creates right here again, makes even a dip lower. Let's call it a dip lower. Who knows? I don't know if it goes a dip lower. Creates a dip lower. I'm like, okay. And it's around the time of 9 o'clock, 9:30, even 10 o'clock. And it just keeps respecting its zone. This means it's a very strong area that the market wants to respect and it might want to move from. All I'm waiting, all I'm waiting for is, where's the fucking thing? All I'm waiting for is a break of structure. If it can break the structure, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take the buys if it creates a structure. This is hypothetical, right? But if it doesn't here, if it breaks a structure right here, I'll take it. Breaks a structure right here, I'll take it. And I'll just put my stops below the last structure low point. So, for example, we see the structure right here. I will take this cell right here when it broke the structure point right here. Matter of fact, let me just clear that out. This is for YouTube and this is for Zoom, whoever. If you have your own strategy already, just ignore me. Like, focus on what you got. If you don't and you want to learn like how I trade, I'm not hiding anything. I'm telling you exactly how I trade. This is exactly what I do every day. All you have to do after this is manage your risk. That's it. Manage your risk. If you can manage your risk, even if you do take a loss, it's like, okay, the trade might happen tomorrow. And I'm going to show you the trade I took yesterday. So as I said, we can see the structure right here. Like, after a while, your eyes will just be attained to this, what structure looks like. Like, you won't even need to draw it out. But in the beginning, you might need to draw it out. You might need to draw a trend line. That's what I did. I used to draw the trend lines. I used to draw the structure just so like my eyes can clearly see what I'm seeing and I trust it. But I don't do it no more. I'll probably do it just to explain. But even in like this structure point, it becomes even stronger because now I see it's a 15 minute, like if it was in the right time zone, I see a 15 minute zone, double top, structure break. It's like, damn, this shit is strong as hell. I'll take a sales from right here. And this will be my TP1, TP2. Anything after TP2, I don't give a fuck. Anything after TP1, I don't care. Because I take profit at TP1. Stop with the break even. So anything after TP1, I really don't care. But TP2 is really the goal every day. I usually get TP2s if I'm trading A plus setups, maybe 60% of the time, maybe even 50% of the time. But TP1, I get those like 80% of the times, especially when I'm trading according to that A plus setup. Get like 80% of the times, etc., etc. But yeah, this trade right here would be in profit right now. I'll already be at TP1, and it's the same thing I do every day. I'm gonna show you the trade I took yesterday. The trade I took yesterday. What did I see? It was in a 15-minute structure point. If you don't pay attention to this area right here, but it's 15-minute structure point, which is right here, which matched up with the 1 hour structure point too from previous days before, first day back anyway. So we're seeing this, price came up here, structure, boom, structure point, boom, came and made another structure, boom. I seen that this area right here was so strong. My shit tweaking out. This area right here was so strong. Price kept bouncing off of it, like it kept respecting the area, just like how it's doing today. Just kept respecting the area. All I did was wait for the break of structure within the zone, within the time, proper timing. This trade was taking at around 9:12, 9:15. Wait for the break of structure. Took the trade. As you can see, TP3 hit. Like, I'm showing you exactly what I do. I can't hide nothing. And I do it live. I do it on Zoom. I post a video on YouTube. I mean, I can only give as much value. Like, if you can't get it from this, I don't know what to do. I don't know what else to do, right? Most people only learn when they have to start paying for shit. Right? When I put this information behind a paywall, then they probably take it seriously. But most times when it's free, niggas don't take it seriously. It is what it is. But I'm just doing my part, putting my knowledge, skin in the game, putting it out there. If you accept it, you accept it. If you don't, your choice. Be right back. I need some water. Oh, that was a big drop. Nice. Let's see if the structure point holds it out. But yeah, what I see from a lot of new traders, I'm gonna even speak for myself, cause like when I did come in, I was kind of like this, but you wanted the easy route. I wanted the easy route. I wanted to be handheld, spoon fed, all that shit. As you can see, this trade would have played out TP2. This is an amazing trade, like very amazing trade. I didn't take it. I'm gonna journal it though, because I could have taken this. I could have lowered the risk on it, took an amazing trade. It's an amazing trade. Like if you see TP2 is hit, TP3 is about to be hit. It's an amazing trade. I just didn't take it. I'm just gonna journal it, put it in my journal. Also, I journal everything. I journal everything. Every trade that I take, every loss that I take, every win, everything that even trades I don't take, I journal it because I want to know why didn't I take it? What was the thought process? What time did it happen? How did the setup look like? All of that, like, because market shifts, and if you're not studying what happens in the markets, you're gonna miss it. Like I used to take trades like this. I used to take trades before like 8:30 trades, before 8:30 whatever. This was excuse me, more like an 8:30 trade. 8:32 it would have activated at 8:32, 8:33. I would have taken trades like that. But what happened was I heard my bad. I was supposed to be muted. Yeah, you good, bro. What happened was coming in November, coming in a holiday season, let's call it end of October, being in November, December. I was studying my trades from because I was journaling and I was studying my entries and shit like that. So I think in October, like the end of October, coming into the beginning of November, I entered just losing streak. I won some trades, but I was losing consistently because I would put size behind these trades too because they were good trades, right? They were good setups that I thought were good setups, but they were losing. Like it was not happening the same anymore. Like the volume was just not there in the summer months, in the season months, like the October, November, December, and I just started looking back on the trades that I was doing in my journal, and I'm like, I keep taking L's before 9 o'clock. Like the trades I take before 9 o'clock is keep taking that L on them. Maybe I should just stop doing it. But I would know to stop doing it if I wasn't studying it, if I didn't journal it, if I didn't study it. Now I'm seeing, oh, this trade happened at 8:33. Maybe the market cycle is changing again. Maybe I can take these trades again. Maybe. But you only get that from like studying yourself, studying what's happening in the markets, like being on top of shit. Like it's an actual job for me. It's a business. It's a job. It's like I'm the boss. Like I have to be on top of this shit. If I'm not on top of it, who gonna tell me this shit don't work no more? Who gonna tell me it? Who gonna tell me it don't work? Nobody can't tell me it don't work. Nobody can't tell me it works. It's changing. What Neil said. If it changes, you have to be on top of it. You have to be, oh, I can catch these setup. I can put size behind the setup because the market cycle is changing again. It makes sense to put size behind. But I didn't. This is the first setup that actually worked before 8:30, before 9 o'clock. And I'm seeing it now. If it happens the rest of this week, next week I'm going to implement taking these setups again. But until I see like a consistency in the market cycle is like changing, then I'll start applying it. But I'm not gonna apply it yet. This one time. Like this is not guaranteed. This is not guaranteed change. And what I use, TradeZella, right? TradeZella's already here. I fall for coughing a lot, yo, bro. I kind of feel a little sick. And I just put it here. Put it here, leave some commentary, whatever the case is. Like, even yesterday, I'll show you my journaling for yesterday. Yesterday, this is what my journaling looked like. I put all of my trade setups. At the end of the day, I wrote what I liked, didn't like, etc., what I could have did better. Something, if you guys learn anything from me, do that. Do journaling. You get to study yourself. Study yourself, because that's the only way you get better. You need to study yourself and learn what you're doing good, what you're doing bad, and emphasize on what you're doing good so you can just keep capitalizing on do more of that and do less of the bad. And then you'll just inevitably get better. I don't see how you'll get worse by doing what's more good for yourself. I don't see how that works, but hey, somebody's gonna make it make sense. Somebody's gonna make it make sense. But as you see, TB3 you've been hit on this trade. This is a fucking this is a banger right here. This trade is a banger. TB3, that's a banger trade. I didn't take it. It's okay. Even if I don't catch a trade today at all, it is still okay. Tomorrow's another day. I can catch a banger tomorrow. I can catch a banger on Friday. I can catch a banger next week. I'm not gonna chase it. I'm not gonna feel like, oh, I missed out. I need to catch this trade now. No, fuck it. I missed out. It is what it is. Every day is not a trading day, but every day you could just show up to the market, look at what's going on, analyze, journal, collect your thoughts, collect data. Yeah, shit like that. So this is me just putting the charts. So this is like a snapshot in time. So now when I'm going back and I want to look at shit, and also I have a subsection in my trading journal where it's like, it's in my notebook. I have it in my playbook as well. It's called 938 plus setups, double bottom, double tops, trades I didn't take. So this would go into trades I didn't take. You see, I have days upon days where I collect data where trades I didn't take, and I'll analyze it. Why didn't I take it? Why did I take it? Why, etc., etc. Easy money plays. First trade of the day. That's like probably every day, right? Continuation trades. Trades to not take, like setups to not take. And I'll look at it. I'll analyze it. Why would I not take it? So I'll look at it again. I'm like, okay, if I see this setup, I'm not going to take it. You guys got to study yourself. You have to study yourself. You have to study yourself. You'll never master the markets. Never master it. Because the market is always changing. It's always evolving. It's always doing something different. All you could do is study yourself. Make sure your craft is on point. Again, I'm just ranting, but I do this every morning. If y'all don't fuck with it, I'm sorry. I just trying to drop free game, like free knowledge. Even if I did hear this when I first started, I probably would have not listened. I was just really naive. So I thought I knew what I was doing. I got lucky, made some money. I would just shut up, nigga. What you talking about? Maybe some of y'all saying shut up, nigga. It is what it is. I understand. But you will learn the hard way. Just like I learned the hard way. I could have been profitable years earlier. Or months earlier. Let's not call it years. I've only been trading for 3.5 years, almost 4 months earlier. If I started implementing these things. But you only learn that with time, experience, a lot of lonely nights, crying to yourself. Nobody sees the pain. Nobody sees the shit that you go through on your own. Nobody's seen the shit I go through. Nobody understands the shit I go through. And I don't want you to understand. That's fine. Worry about yourself. But this shit it's an ongoing battle with just fighting yourself. Trying to master yourself. And that's the only thing you really have to worry about is yourself. If you can get that on the management, you'll be all right. Promise you that. You'll be all right. I think training is mostly about self-mastery for the most part. Obviously, you need a strategy, but if you're not implementing your strategy correctly because you're fucking up, you're over-leveraging, over-trading, doing some dumb shit, boom, you're not a profitable trader. Damn, this shit is dropping, bro. Yeah, this I might not be able to catch a setup off the 9:30. Maybe I have to. As I told y'all, it's clean traffic. This is clean traffic. So if it just keeps dropping, today might be a no trade day. If you did kind of show up because you wanted to see me take a trade, but I'm trying to tell you already. So if you want to log off now, shit, go ahead. We gonna be just staring at the markets till it gets to this area. I'm not interested. Or maybe if I see something like this, like a structure build up here, and then it drops again, I'll take the continuation trade to the downside. But if I don't see that, I'm out. Told you, bro, sell today to correct yesterday's manipulation. That's a fact. I missed it already. The sales happened earlier. I missed it. I told everybody I missed it. It's fine. They don't usually happen that early, but it's fine. I missed it. Fuck it. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, Neil, you missed it too, right? It's cool. Don't chase it. Unless this is a part of your trading strategy, don't chase it. Just let it happen. You could probably wait for a reaction down here because this is a strong level down here. What also makes it a strong level is this is where market closed yesterday. It closed down here. So you're having a 15-minute with the 1 hour and the market closed down there. So you know there's a lot of liquidity down there. So it's going to grab that. So if I do see something like, let me go on the 1 minute so I can show you better. I should probably show you better than I can tell you. If I see something like this, it comes back up, make a structure point again. Just as soon as it breaks, nigga, I'm taking that shit. Taking that shit off the break right here. Off the break of the structure, going back into the zone, it's gone. But if it just keeps dropping, no trade day. It is what it is. Yo, what the fuck did I do yesterday? Why I feel like this? Is this an aging thing? Like, I don't understand, bro. It be just mornings, just you be waking up like, what the fuck is this? What is this? Why am I feeling like this? I didn't even do nothing. I didn't do nothing crazy yesterday. I should be Getting older is weird, bro. Body starts changing. Neil said, "Tell me about." I'm telling you, bro. Bro, wake up just in the morning, like, nigga, what did I do last night? What did I do yesterday? I'm trying to think back. Like, I ate decent. I went to work out. I think I went proper yesterday. Everything on me feel kind of fucked up right now. I'm only 25, bro. Imagine when I'm 35, 45, 55. Oh, it's gonna be crazy, bro. Definitely, I can't do this shit for the rest of my life. I gotta make sure the profits that I make in the market, I invest into some like some some stuff that's gonna give me residuals. It's gonna give me some shit that I don't have to work for. Cause shit, even though this is now hard, it's like damn, like what the fuck? I can lay in the bed a little longer. I can stay in the bed just a little longer today.
Yep.
Yo, who that?
What's going on, Keelan?
What's good, Raj? You caught those sales?
Nah, they shit dumping.
You traded? You traded for the day?
Nah, I took a trade last night for London.
You caught the sales then?
Nah, I caught a buy.
Damn, what the fuck is going on with my body, bro? Well, you took it on NAS? US30.
No, not 30.
Facts. Say that.
I
Say that.
posted it. The other shit I posted. Got a TP1.
TP1? Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
I'm looking at. I'm like, damn, it'll be hard to catch buys with this crazy move down. It'll be hard as fuck to catch buys. I seen this beautiful setup. I just didn't take it, bro. I didn't take it. I could have put small size behind it, just like, fuck it. But it is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow. If I catch nothing today, we'll be back tomorrow. We see this shit every day. Shit happens every day. What you looking for right now? If you're looking for anything.
I'm about to pull it up right now. Getting everything set up.
As of right now, I don't see nothing I can take. Personally, I don't see nothing. I'm hoping it does what I want it to do, but that might not happen. This shit would have been, bro. Shit would have been a fucking banger, bro. A fucking banger, dog. Let me erase it now. What I'm trying to see is if Price make another structure, because you can see it's just structure as hell. Like, structure flowing today. Flowing like a bitch. Look at that structure. All I need is like one more here. I'm gonna take that bitch to the downside. Let's see. Maybe 930 goes like this, and then make some structure, some shit like that, and then breaks up for the upside, and then probably go back up. Who knows? It might not do it. The probabilities of it doing it is very low. Very low. At this point, it's very low. It's 9:17. 9:30 is about to happen. And then I'm not in the setup. Tragic. No trade there, man. Unless we can get a move after 9:30 for the 10 o'clock news. If I don't find a trade before 10 o'clock, that's it. It's a wrap. Yo, what up, Dre? You want to share your screen, bro? I already know I'm not going to take a trade.
You're good. Hold on. I just got literally. I was about to trade. I was just joining Zoom. You good for right now? Why you not trading? You don't like the way it look?
Yeah, the move already happened. Like, it happened like 8:30. Unless
I wouldn't even say 30, bro. That shit happened. Fuck it. London again.
Yeah, it happened in London again, but also, like, there was a nice move that I missed. I posted in the group chat, but I missed it already, so it's all good. I'm not going to pressure
it. That went higher at 8?
Yeah, the move that went higher up here, and then it broke structure and came back down. Let me just see if it's still there.
Yeah, London's definitely been the move the last 2 days.
This move right here.
Go with the what hour? Like with the same chart?
I seen this. This is a 15. Yeah. This is a 15 minute.
I was looking at it. It went into that 1 hour for value got. Like right where your entry would have been. Look to the left.
Mm-hmm.
Not even that far left. Like right to like the candles to the left of it.
Oh, this.
Yeah, right in there. Mm. It's definitely a nice move. That's what I seen when you said you missed it. Besides that, like I said, London's been having a high.
It's been destroying the market, really.
I told Jenner if this happens again for like another 3 weeks, 4 weeks straight, I'm probably just gonna go to London again because it was like that for a couple months. I ain't gonna lie. Mm-hmm. London was moving for a couple months, and it was just back to back the same shit every day.
That's a fact. That's why I was telling niggas just this morning. Like, you gotta study it. You gotta study market because it switches. It goes in different cycles. You gotta watch it. You can catch move earlier. Some market cycles some market cycles just date. You just gotta wait for the 9:30.
I'm about to start my stream here. If you want me to take it over, I can real quick.
Do your thing.
We'll see if I get anything. Well, like I said yesterday, once we get these big drops, it makes it real iffy about if I'm gonna really get anything during New York or not. The first thing I am noticing, like off rip, the first thing I notice is we are at that 1 hour gap from yesterday. That's the first thing I noticed, but I don't know how likely it's going to be to hold considering everything is so bearish. But nonetheless, I'll mark it up because that's where we are. This 1 hour gap after we ran this low. It's kind of what I'm watching for going into 9:30. But I don't think we're going to run this London high. Best case, we could if we can get longs from this gap, but just doesn't seem
It's not
highest
probable.
probability.
It's not probable.
It's possible, but likely. Wouldn't say so much. The previous city's low is way more likely. But now down to where would a good area be for that? Either I wait for this 4 hour for value gap up here to get traded into 9:30, 10 o'clock maybe. But that's still a little bit ways higher. But at that point, I'm better off looking for that short term run higher and then just getting out at that point. But this is just kind of my thoughts right now. Nothing crazy, just a matter of really just waiting right now. Overall bias bearish, but besides that, I don't got shit yet. This is just on US30, so let me check. NAS does look like it has a little bit of a better chance for me to get a nice move because at the previous day's low. So the previous day's low, and if we go into 9:30, there's a chance we could get a push higher. That previous day's high is not going to get tapped into. I do not think that's going to happen at all. London high, I think is more likely on NAS compared to 30 right now. I could see way more bullishness for NAS, but it's also the same situation where we have this 1 hour, 4 hour for value gap that the price get us trade into and they keep dropping. We will see. It's an interesting area to be in. And the DXY is just bullish. So if the DXY keeps bullish, the rest should keep dropping, ideally, but we about to find out.
That we will.
It's unfortunate that London's been hit. I'd be ready for these New York moves. I hate when they happen already.
It's just been hitting for the first 2 days. Like, we gotta give it 2 weeks, a week, maybe. Let's see. Continues like this, then London makes sense.
Still, like, even just look at 30 on the hour. 3 days in a row. This is like the same shit that happened before when I was just like, why has it happened so much? You know what I mean? And then look at the time it's been moving. I think yesterday US30 was one of the few that actually had like that bullish move from 9. But usually once we get these London moves, price doesn't move against it like that afternoon. Which is annoying because like it kind of just kills New York session for a little while.
Shit, bro, gonna keep dropping, bro. 5 minutes away from 9:30. I'm not hopeful of today. It's a tragic day. Wish I took the trade, but it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Can't have no FOMO now. Rod, you found anything that you like yet?
Nah.
Yeah. It's looking like that, bro. It's looking like that type of day, bro. Looking like that type of day. Looking like that type of day. Trash, bro. Such a trash day. Such a trash day. Mm-hmm.
I don't know what just happened, but I'll be back.
If I made you host at that time, you would have ended that shit.
Just keep posting. Just keep posting until you really leave.
All right.
Get my OBS back on.
You still using that bum ass MacBook, boy. You need to upgrade your
Shit,
setup,
this
bro.
MacBook be going crazy.
They go crazy for the edits, but it can't hold all of these streams holding them.
Shit, it does what I need for now. At least I'll be only on the charts, making so I can really do other shit while streaming too. Not like I'm playing a game.
Need you a PC, my boy.
Yeah, I'm good at PC. Alright, I'm trying to think what's about to be the move. I could either take it.
Okay. Let's see. This push up there, I like it. No, don't turn around, you bitch.
I'm thinking if possible longs on 30 though. That's what I'm thinking.
Trying to get some shorts.
Where we are, that seems like the best thing I could do. Shorts are possible, but I don't know if I feel comfortable letting that whole long play out if I think it's gonna go higher. Just to try to go short. It's 928. If I had a 50 point stop loss, I would be below the fair value gap. I would be betting that D spot keeps going higher. That everything else keeps going lower. NAS could go higher at this previous day's low, and US30's at this. Yeah. Where did we tap into with that low from yesterday? To make sure, like, I have a reason to believe that that previous day's low won't get hit, at least now.
See nothing, bro. I'm trying to catch this. Fuck. This 9:30 open. Nothing. Fucking nothing, bro.
I'm thinking short-term longs, but it's just iffy. This candle's up and down. This hour candle's flipping like a motherfucker. I can only imagine the lower time frames.
Yeah, I'm on 1 minute stressing.
You know what? I ain't even gonna stress. I'm gonna take the long 50-point stop loss. Let's do it. I'm in the fair value gap going into 9:30. This is what I like to see. Let me not over stress myself. If it loses, it loses. If it wins, it wins. Just stick to the trend, buddy boy.
Yeah, it's not giving me what I want, so it is what it is.
Would be running that overall London high. Best case.
Okay, that 9:30 pushed up. Okay, let's see, cause damn,
Give me some boy.
that's a crazy push. I'm not gonna cap. It's a crazy push. Nah, I wouldn't take that. That's a 60 point. That's a 60 point stop loss. Fuck no.
No, yeah, I like 50 as well. Like that. I don't like
60 point? Hell to the no. Even if it just keeps shooting up from here, I would never put a fucking 60 point stop.
60's push to do, like, even for this range right here, it's like, using 50, I would just be kidding if I wanted to at my area if it fills that gap. Let's see, because I'm definitely expecting this move to only be short term.
Yeah, I'm only expecting short term longs.
Get this gap, if it can even get this gap. Let's see what happens.
Can we have 10 o'clock news? We have a lot of news coming out at 10 o'clock. ISM, Joe Jobs, PMI, not PMI, manufacturing PMI. Could be something. Could be something. $60-point stop is crazy. I'm trying to look at this shit too. It's another 60-point stop. I can't do it, man.
If you only use 60, bro, I wouldn't, because like I said, trades are good, but if you ain't even gonna get your target, like if it's a far ass target, this is
Just not worth it. Not worth it, bro. Not worth it.
It makes you need to expect a lot for it to play out.
Right. You need to wait or just a 1-to-1. Nah, not just a 1-to-1 to be met. Hell no.
Maybe.
Yeah, the Obi maybe.
He was like, what? That's all I need. Who's that, Cal? Oh, yeah, he is. Stop burning.
This nigga Kel probably just woke up.
Yeah, hell yeah. Well, I got on the Zoom earlier. I was in bed. I don't know. I was like,
US30 is go up and down like a motherfucker. Come on, just get to this fair value gap for me. You want to run that high, that works too. But the fair value gap's where I'm looking to take my shit off, boy. Okay, 30. Getting a good reaction. See if you can maintain it. Keto.
Yo.
So what I was thinking we could do,
What's the word?
we're gonna, for the live mentorship sessions, not live mentorship. Well, I guess it's live signal, live trading session thing. What we could do is, because the main thing, I want to be able to have people offer, the main reason I stopped doing it before was because I only had like one person, then I would only have to have one person in there, and it's just like, it's boring. But what we should do is we should promote it as a first 20 people get it for free. But those first 20 people, we're just going to give it to like people in the Telegram that already be here, so it just keeps us up. Keep them there, but everyone else that was never here has like that urgency now.
But you would have to
Like
definitely start up some new shit though, because we'd have to start like a new platform, like a Discord or something like that.
Yeah, it would have to be just like a Telegram, like a private, where we would send a link there. But that works though.
60-point stop is crazy, bro. I see it short from here, but
Yeah, right now it's starting to put me a drawdown.
60-point stop. Oh, you buying?
I was already in for right at 930.
Buying?
Yeah.
You were
I was waiting
different.
to see this gap up here get filled. We gonna see. US30 is
All
up and
this.
down like a motherfucker, so I'm not gonna stress it right now. But
All the sell
NAS
action
is
you
having a
buying.
bullish reaction. If NAS can hold that previous as long and get bullish, we should definitely see higher prices.
What you
30
fucking with
actually-
on Saturday, bro?
Yeah. This Saturday?
Yeah.
I don't think I have anything playing. Oh yeah, that shit started dropping. I don't think I have anything playing right now.
I might slide, man.
ES is falling. About to go for this previous days low 30. Basically, that's gonna do what you did yesterday.
I'm fighting with myself because I want to take this trade, but it's a 60-point stop. Like, don't want to do
So
it.
in the rules where I would do it, like I said, the distance is always everything.
It's a clean traffic though. If you look left, it's really clean. It's clean. That fair value gap, very clean. It could happen.
This follow on that's going higher. That's unfortunate. Let's see 30. Fill that full gap, and then start to go higher. I'll trust you. Fill the gap, and then do what you do. But if you're gonna stop me, make it fast. Just rip the band-aid real fast. See what NAS keeps doing. NAS may have the best chance to get into that gap I was watching with the way it's looking.
I'm trying to think if I just put small size on it. Maybe. Just maybe.
I'm about to go back.
Fuck it, I'll do it. Small size. 0.25. I never risk 0.25. About to get in on this first trade of the day. What the fuck? First trade of the day. Let's get it. Uh, 0.25. That's not much. Still got a buffer. Like it's doing exactly what I wanted to do, but it's not. It's not the right risk. The risk management there, not the risk management, the pit management. It's the 50-point risk. It's like that's a lot. It's a lot. It's a fucking lot. Yeah, I'm in. No, I'm not in yet. Let's see. See when it tapped me in. I'm in. Market just tapped me in. Let's get it. Let's see if this is a L or a W. This trade might take forever too. I might not stick around to see it play out though. Honestly, I might be out of here by 10 o'clock. If that 10 o'clock news can't help me out, nobody can help me. I took those sales, bro. A very small risk, because I'm like, very, very small risk. Stop loss is above those wicks. It's above the so we have different pricing. So just look at the 1 minute. You see it. 60. It's crazy, bro. Huh? No, I'm just gonna take the 1-to-1. I'll take the 1-to-1. No, yes, the previous day low. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I'm not gonna do no dumb shit. When there's room, when it makes sense. But if it don't make no sense. Exactly. And that's a high expectation of the market that I don't have. Let's see what it do, man. I'm in. The market's just tapped me in. Let's see. Very low risk on this trade, by the way, because I don't believe in it, but I don't believe in the longevity of it. We have 10 o'clock news, so let's just hope 10 o'clock is good. might add another 0.25 risk with a lower target if it comes and break under this level. This would be 40-point risk. Not crazy. 40 points is usually the maximum I want. But under these circumstances, I'll take what I'll take. Scared money don't make no money. What you looking for today, Kel?
I'm kind of mixed, so I mean, it could go either way for me, to be honest. But I'm really
Lay back low. Damn.
primarily looking for fives.
Damn. That shit dropping. We filled the gap. Alright. Now, we really see. Because if it just keeps dropping from here, that's my stop loss. Looking like it's gonna be runs for me. Runs.
Placed another position. Let's see what they do.
News in the next 16.
We have news in the next 17, 16 minutes. Yeah.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close this trade here without taking the full loss, just so I can give myself more room for another trade. I'm not even gonna let this hit my stop loss. I'll just take the $170 out of the 250. That's cool. Okay.
For me,
I'll take another trade.
I'm gonna move my stop loss to right here. Just protect my ass. Like fuck it.
RIPs.
R.I.P. Ski. I'm gonna lose a little today. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
Might go long, but NAS had the move I was looking from previously. I don't know what 30 says you made me work for that previously. No, but I'm really looking now.
Yeah, it kind of looks exactly like yesterday, to be honest.
Let's see if 10 o'clock come in with that volume, with that. With that.
We'll see if NAS goes up to that gap.
Okay. You got a nice move. I'm only looking for a 1-to-1. Nothing crazy today.
Yeah, right now 30 looks more likely to run for that wick. Like there was previously low down here. May have reaction after runs that low. But we'll see. Let's see if NAS is gonna give a retrace or if it's gonna be like yesterday, just keep trending lower. If it trends, then I'll probably just be like that. Just trending days, keep cooking.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Florida cold is hell, bro.
Like out there in Tampa.
Huh?
What's the weather out there like?
It's not that bad right now. is 68, 64, but it's been like 70s, shit like that. Well, right now it's a little chilly though, but I always be able to do it. So my cold is like everyone else's cold.
Yeah, I'm kind of used to it now. It's just iffy though.
I'll be right back. Yo, D, what's good? Yes, I'm on YouTube right now. Hold on. What you say? Today? Yeah. Yeah, I can fix it, bro. I can fix it. You can always go back and fix it. Yeah, I'm still straightening right now, so I'm gonna fix it when I get done. Alright, bro. All we looking for is a 1-to-1, bro. Don't make it hard for me. Just 1-to-1. It's not that hard.
That's crazy. That's why I did what I wanted.
That's
NAS
fucking
30. He's not on my side
A
today.
1-to-1, that is it. 1-to-1. 1-to-1. Not asking for a lot.
Yeah, I'm thinking if I take another trade, it's probably gonna be shorts on NAS if we come up to this 4-hour gap. That'll probably be my only trade. 30, I don't think it's gonna give longs, and if it does give longs, it's not gonna go until that previous thing's a little good for him. I don't trust taking a trade with that worry with how close it is. Even though it's possible, it could just go up if it gets that low. But that low is more likely than not.
It came back up again. Here we go. Let's see if it's about to clip me.
lit,
When is 10 o'clock? We got 10 more minutes. Just start behaving. Just give me the 1-to-1. I'm not asking for a lot. Just behave yourself. Behave yourself. Jeez. It's a low risk too. Come on now. It's not like I'm pushing numbers on this one, bro. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Be right back, y'all.
How we getting it on? It's crazy because yesterday I didn't even trade, but I reviewed it, but I could have caught free trade back to back to back.
New soccer in Cal. I think he's coming up having that London season again.
Yeah, I'm looking at everything like London session
Unfortunately.
already.
I hope not. I've been liking New York, but I could take the same trade sort in London, just from that 3 to 4.
I could stay up because mine's been going to sleep around 3 o'clock in the morning.
30's giving us reaction. What are we about to do here, 30?
Get back right.
What are you doing, bro? Damn, and XY had to drop. Fuck. Fuck.
No, I was no. Did I get cooked, y'all? I'm getting cooked right now. Sheesh, bro.
Up and down, bro.
I'm getting cooked, bro. I'm getting cooked.
But 8 minutes after the candle, it's either about to go deeply against you or deeply in your favor with these last minutes on the candle.
I'm getting cooked, bro. It's gonna cook me. It's fine. I didn't risk a lot anyway, so I'm perfectly fine.
I was just looking, I'm putting it towards the longs, but it's just, I don't like how that entry is now. It's a little crazy. But what I am seeing is if I would get to get in right here, which is a little iffy, trade right here, but it would be holding 37,800, and it just filled that 1 hour gap. But like I said, the main concern is that previous day's low. More than likely, if I miss it.
Sorry, y'all. I didn't take a good trade setup today. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not a good trade setup. It's not. It's like a B. It's a, it's a real trash trade setup. Very trash. It is what it is. I'm sorry. I didn't risk a lot anyway on this one because I knew it was a B setup. So that's all it really is. Understanding the probabilities of something playing out and just risk management according to that.
Shit, look at me. I wouldn't even know if I would have took the trade. I might have still been in or not. I don't think I would have with the full stop loss, but
No, what me?
Not me.
Right now I'm not. I don't have full stop loss now.
That's what I'm saying. I was saying with mine, I don't even know if I still would have been in or not because I cut a trade. I think it still would have cut me out, but if it would have took me out the trade, then essentially I saved for us.
Yeah. I did the same thing. So the 60-point stop, when it broke structure again, I just moved it. So now it's like a 30-point stop. So I'm fine with it. So I cut the 250 to like 115. I don't know, something around that line. It should be clean traffic though. Like it should be clean traffic just to the downside like that. Previous day low should be easy.
Yeah, just waiting on time.
Yeah, we waiting on 10 o'clock.
Starting to push back up again. So you should start seeing it slowly come down. And NAS is just playing around this previous day's low. It might just stay around here and then drop, not even have any big retracement.
I hate NAS, bro. I've been hating NAS lately.
So it's a nice low key level. It's getting some reactions from him.
NAS used to be nice for me for my trading strategy, but now lately it's just been nasty, bro. Nasty work.
I'll say if you trade a lot of gaps,
What's up? It's 30.
trade NAS.
Nah, I don't trade gaps, buddy.
Gaps
Straight structure, bro. Structure.
are structure. The gaps are what form the structure.
Cap. But we ain't going into this, bro. I ain't going back and forth with you.
How much more gaps are?
I ain't going back and forth with you. I'm not. Dre, I'm not going back and forth with you, brother. I'm not going back and forth with you, bro.
So
You got it.
I tell everybody
I'm just saying, think about it. The gaps
market
is literally
have
all
two
we got.
objectives:
Yeah.
seek liquidity and rebalance.
As I said,
Rebalancing is also internal.
yeah, I got it, bros. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
He in the stock market. We just trying to put you on some game.
Hey, you guys are right. You on Wall Street right now. What do I know?
The market maker today.
That's a fact. My fault, bro. As I said, you got it, bro. You got the sauce. No arguments there. Oh yeah. Kino ICT.
In between the no-fly zone.
No fly zone. That's a new strategy, bro.
No, well, it's one I came up with. I mean, since it's not in between the whole volume, so you're gonna get slaughtered.
What is it called? The no fly zone strat?
Okay, look. Okay.
Oh God.
They use the true open.
Let me hear it.
Yeah, the daily true opens and the session true open. What's the session true open? The session's true open is 7:30. Why is it 7:30? Because that's around the accumulation. So same way with the daily. The London session is the accumulation, pretty much the accumulation phase. No, my bad, the manipulation phase. While the Asian session is the accumulation phase, and then the distribution session, which is the New York session, is the distribution phase, and then the PM session is the reset phase. But I'm focusing on manipulating, manipulate from the higher time frame, which is the daily, into the session, which is the lower time frame, pretty much.
On fire, bro. Thank you.
Okay, so what I do is you create like a all right, remember the whole weekly thing down to the see now so
Okay. Do we got the 10 o'clock move? Do we have a 10 o'clock move? Hold on. Hold on. All I need is a 1-to-1, baby. Give me it. That's it. That's all I'm looking for today. Not asking for a lot. That's it. Just hold it down. Just hold it down today. We got 3 minutes. Just hold it down. Come on, you hold it down.
The best sell,
Marcus is on some BS
best
today.
selling entry, but we trying to solely trade. Oh yeah, since for example, we was trying to trade in London. I mean, I wouldn't like to trade in London, but since it's been moving a lot, the session true opening session for London is 130. Because I'm using a micro, yeah, because from the session, you got 4 quarters on micro session. How many years is this?
All I need is a 1-to-1. Peace. Let's go. Yes, sir. Break that low. Let me move my stop loss accordingly. Accordingly. I'm not losing nothing today. Yeah. Break that low. Break that low. Break the low. All I need is the 1-to-1 today, as I said. I'm not asking for a lot. We not asking for a lot here. We got 2 more minutes.
Yeah,
2 more minutes. 10 o'clock volume. We not listen, Marcus. Hear me out. Be cool, bro. Why you acting like that? Why you acting like that? We good. We've been on good terms for a while, bro. Don't do that. We've been on good terms for a while. Just hold it down. God damn. God damn. If once it breaks these lows, put that line there. Once it breaks these lows, stop loss moved up. God darn it. All we need is the 1-to-1. Nah, it's for a lot, bro. You acting like that for? Fuck you acting like that? Damn. Oh, max I'm making on this trade is about $500. You acting like that? Ooh, man, stink today, bro. What's up with you, stink? 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's gone. R.I.P. Ski. R.I.P. Ski to my trade, y'all. See you later. See you later.
Buy a discount style of premium. Buy a discount style of premium. Buy a discount style of premium.
I just lost on this trade.
Discount style of premium.
I just lost on this trade. I lost $400 on this trade.
How much were you supposed to lose?
500. 1-to-1. Save some risk. God damn, bro.
Bijan, you trade on stop sets too, right?
Yeah, top stuff.
They just logged me out. I think it was because of volume. They let me back in immediately. I see it was because of volume that came in.
Small loss. We'll take it. We'll take it. It is what it is. I had hope in you today, Marcus. I did. I had faith in you.
I did too, trust.
I had faith in you.
Like 200, and I was risking 250. I was up like 200, and then it came back, and then it went all the way back to go down.
I was same here, bro. I was just up like 200, 250. I had hope in you, bro. I did. I had faith in you.
That low now, it's just that hope, right?
Don't tell me you just grabbed my stop loss and turn around. It is what it is. I knew not to take this trade anyway.
You might not want to hear this.
Huh?
You go to the hour, did feel that gap. I'm just saying.
I knew not to take this trade anyway, and it was a B setup. It wasn't a high probability. It is what it is. We ain't tripping, you feel me? We ain't tripping.
That's where 10 o'clock was. Hey, Kino.
You?
Same, bro. I'm gonna have a tinfoil hat. Wait.
It is what it is, bro. You the Wizard of Oz. My fault, bro.
Not even the
see it. I didn't even win nothing today. I didn't win today. I don't got credibility.
Yeah, you don't got the credibility. Come on, you don't got the credentials today, bro.
That's why I couldn't go stream either.
We both lost. We both lost today, so we ain't hit today. So it is what I took a small L compared to what I would really take.
I took like,
So I'm fine with it.
like here, I think you guys can still see my chart.
There, to the chart.
250.
I'm gonna let y'all on YouTube stream over, man. L day.